Did you know that Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee is one of the most expensive and sought-after coffees in the world? It's true! But let's take a step back to understand just why that is. The story of this coveted bean begins in the 18th century, when coffee was first introduced to Jamaica by Sir Nicholas Laws, a then governor of the island. What makes Blue Mountain coffee so special, however, lies in its birthplace. Nestled between Kingston to the south and Port Antonio to the north, the Blue Mountains of Jamaica provide a unique climate and geographical conditions that are perfect for coffee growing. The combination of cool and misty conditions, high rainfall, rich soil, and the shelter of the mountainous landscape allows for the coffee beans to mature slowly, resulting in a richer flavor. So now you know, the steep slopes and misty conditions of the Blue Mountains make this coffee a unique treat. Did you know that coffee cherries, not beans, are actually the fruit of the coffee tree, and only the best are selected for Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee? This process is a journey, a voyage of transformation that takes the humble coffee cherry from the tree to your cup. The first step in this journey is, of course, picking the cherries. Only the ripest red cherries are hand-picked. This is a painstaking task, but it's crucial to the quality of the coffee. Once picked, the cherries then undergo a process known as pulping. This is where the skin and pulp of the cherry are removed to reveal the coffee beans inside. These beans are still encased in a sticky substance called mucilage, which is removed through a process of fermentation and washing. Next, the beans are left to dry in the sun. This process can take up to a week and requires constant monitoring to prevent the beans from fermenting or molding. Once dried, the beans are green and have a hard shell-like exterior known as parchment, which is removed in the hulling process. Now, the beans are ready for the most transformative stage of the journey, roasting. This is when the beans change from green to the familiar brown. The roasting process is an art in itself, requiring a careful balance of temperature and time to fully develop the flavors within the bean. After roasting, the beans are cooled, then ground to the perfect consistency. The final step in the journey is brewing, where hot water is passed through the ground coffee to extract the flavors. The result is a cup of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, renowned for its mild flavor and lack of bitterness. Each stage of this journey is controlled with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that only the finest beans make it to your cup. It's a process that takes time, patience, and a lot of love. And there you have it. From cherry to cup, the journey of a Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee bean is a meticulous and carefully managed process. Did you know that Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee is often described as having a flavor that is as smooth as silk and as cool as a breeze? Indeed, each sip of this luxurious brew carries with it an unrivaled smoothness, a quality that sets it apart from other coffee varieties. But it's not just about smoothness. Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee lacks the bitter aftertaste that is common among many other coffee varieties. Instead, it leaves behind a clean, refreshing finish that is as captivating as it is unique. Now let's talk about flavor notes. Imagine a symphony of taste, where each note is a different flavor dancing on your palate. The first note that hits you is a sweet floral hint, followed by a mild nuttiness reminiscent of fresh almonds. As the coffee cools, you might even notice a hint of chocolate, a subtle sweetness that adds a layer of complexity to the overall flavor profile. And how is it best enjoyed, you ask? Well, to truly savor Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, it's best to drink it black, without any additives. This allows the distinct flavors to shine through, unfettered by the masking effects of milk or sugar. So next time you sip on a cup of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, remember the journey it took to get to you. Did you know that you can continue your coffee journey with us? We've traversed the lush Blue Mountains of Jamaica, traced the remarkable journey from bean to cup, and savored the luxurious taste of this unique brew. Along the way, we've discovered that Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a testament to the rich culture and meticulous craft that defines the island. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on your favorite brews. Until next time, keep exploring the world of coffee.